Hey everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm a licensed esthetician, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new hype skincare product, the Gua Sha, as well as the Jade Roller, and when, how, and why you should implement this into your skincare routine. What is Gua Sha? It's an affordable jade or rose quartz smooth stone that comes in a variety of sizes and shapes depending on the area treated. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using the most common shaped stone that most everyone can find on the market. The term Gua Sha means to scrape or to rub. This traditional Chinese medicine treatment has been used for decades around the world. The benefits of Gua Sha are manual lymphatic drainage. Lymph is a mixture of water, proteins, immune system components, and waste/metabolism byproducts. The lymph circulates through the body, detoxifying, and then goes into our lymph nodes to be cleaned and recirculated. Unlike the heart, which automatically pumps blood through the body, the lymphatic system relies on our movement to keep the fluids moving. Unfortunately, due to a stagnant lifestyle, an environment, diet, and even genetics can contribute to our lymph getting blocked, stuck, overworked, or in general sluggish. The Gua Sha helps move and detoxify more effectively. Everyone's skin can benefit from this treatment, but some health conditions may affect if you're a good candidate, so always ask your doctor. The benefits are depuffing, especially helpful around the eye area. It revitalizes dull/congested skin. It lifts and contours the face, which smooths fine lines and wrinkles. It reduces dark circles, and it feels good. It helps relieve muscle tension and TMJ. You always want to move outward, going in the flow of the lymph. The first step is to apply a facial oil or serum so that you're able to have a nice slip and glide for your massage. And this page on Instagram is called Self Healing Beauty. I love her page so much, and she teaches a lot about Gua Sha and lymphatic drainage. And she said in order to properly just activate your body to get it ready for detoxifying, you want to start in your décolleté area. So that's right underneath the collarbones. You just want to stimulate that area gently to really just signal your body that we are going to be starting our lymphatic drainage process. There's a lot of different routines that you can follow, but this is just one that I found on Pinterest that's specifically catering to my needs today. So I was having a lot of pain and tension in between my eyebrows and my forehead, so I wanted to start there. And the first step that I'm doing is called the third eye, and it activates healing in that area, restoring and soothes a lot of tension. We carry a lot of tension in our eyebrows and our forehead. That's where those 11 lines come from when we're squinting our eyes or if we're thinking. So there can be a lot of tension in that area, and it just helps release some energy from that area. And then you're going to just go and follow along the rest of the forehead. So I'm going to link this routine down below if you would like to read it in more detail and see a diagram, or you can just follow along with this video. This cool stone is really soothing around my eye area. It feels really nice, and I can tell a difference afterwards that that area is just nice and soothed and depuffed, and it even looks brighter, especially with the use of this vitamin C oil that I have today. Vitamin C is really brightening, and using an oil, don't be worried about it, because if you have oily skin, oil loves oil, and it can actually help balance out your skin. You just want to make sure that you're using a specific oil made for the face. If you don't use an oil for the face, there are actually your pores are too small for the oil to actually penetrate properly. So that's how it clogs your pores. So you want to get an oil that's specifically made for the face, so it's not going to clog your pores. It's going to benefit your skin. It's going to help restore your lipid barrier. And that's basically a fancy word for saying the layer of oil or sebum that is on your skin that helps create a healthy barrier and shield from the environment. It also helps, kill any bad bacteria. And if you have an overgrowth of bacteria, that can contribute to acne. If you have an excess amount of oil, because your skin can actually be dry and it's overproducing the oil. And we all just need to work on balancing our skin, and this is where Gua Sha can really help with that. Gua Sha is very balancing, and this process has been used for hundreds and hundreds of years. Even though this may be, a new fad or beauty trend that's popping up on Instagram and Twitter and Pinterest or wherever social medias you're seeing it on, it has been used for a very long time, and it's not some sort of new trick that they just want you to buy something. It actually is really beneficial to do facial massaging. That's something that I tell my clients that they can do at home to help their skin. A lot of my clients have concerns with darkness, under eye circles, puffiness in the cheeks, and this will definitely help you. There's so many muscles around the mouth that we use every day with different facial expressions and talking, and my jaw can also get really tight and tense, and this really helps just loosen up my jaw. It also helps kind of pop the cheekbone. This is going into more of the contouring of the skin. It does help just really smooth out the skin, and your skin may get a little bit pink while you're doing this, and that's okay. Pink is good. That means that the blood is coming to the surface of the skin, bringing healing, detoxification. We just don't want it to be red. We don't want to be really scraping the skin too hard or rubbing it too hard, because the lymph is actually at the surface of the skin and we're pushing the lymph. So we are stimulating the muscle as well, but we want to focus on more so the lymphatic drainage, and we can stimulate the muscle easily without pressing too hard. So as you can see, kind of when I get to the end along my hairline and my ear, I just kind of gently massage it a little bit to also release tension in that area. It just helps further, I don't know, it just feels good. So to finish off my routine, I'm just going to also just stimulate the neck and décolleté area a little bit. And I'm using a nice probiotic serum called Get Balanced, and it just helps balance the microbiome of your skin. So I'm going to apply that serum, and now we're going to get into jade rolling. So to finish off my routine, I'm just going to also just stimulate the neck and décolleté area a little bit. And I'm using a nice probiotic serum called Get Balanced, and it just helps balance the microbiome of your skin. So I'm going to apply that serum, and now we're going to get into jade rolling. The benefits of facial rolling is reduction in puffiness, it soothes, and it helps product penetrate the skin as well. It's cooling and relaxing, and you can even put your roller into the refrigerator to cool it down. And I find that that also helps reduce redness in the skin, it helps calm any inflammation, and it also does help the product just be massaged into the skin. This beneficial at-home treatment only takes a couple of minutes a day, and it really helps you glow and softens and smooths the skin, and it's one of my favorite parts of my skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to try this for yourself at home, and subscribe to see more videos just like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!